Right, see among second problem, first bit, everyone observe. Second problem, second bit, everyone observe. So Q is the rational number. A star B is equal to AB plus 1 is given. So first I will check binary operation with the example. Star is a binary operation. Commutator will check left hand side, right hand side, both are equal. Associate, commutator star is a commutator. Associate, I am going to check. A belongs to Q belongs to left hand side. We get ABC, ABC plus A plus 1. Right hand side same. Right hand side is the AB plus 1 star C. AB plus 1 star C. Now AB plus 1 into C plus 1. Therefore, ABC plus C plus 1. Here is the ABC plus A plus 1. Here is the ABC plus C plus 1. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, a star is not associative. Is not associative. Star is not associative. Okay, na? So it is only commutative binary, but not a associative. Star is not a associative. One time check on everyone answer 1.4. Second problem, star is a commutative but not a associative is correct. Okay, na? This is the second problem. Second bit. I go through the third bit. Q is a rational numbers. Third bit is given. Second problem, third bit set is the rational number. A star B. A star B is equal to product by 2. A star B is equal to product by 2. Now see everyone. We have to check binary operation, commutative and associative. Check binary operation, commutative and associative. With example, 1 by 2 belongs to Q, 3 and 1 star 2 star is the product of the two. 1 by 2 into 3 divided with 2. It is the 3 by 4 belongs to rational number. Therefore, star is a binary operation. So A star B by A B by 2 belongs to Q. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Commutative check. So for all A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q such that A star B is equal to B star A. Left side is AB by 2. Right side is B by 2. BA by 2. BA we can write it as a AB by 2. Left hand side, right hand side both are equal. Star is a commutative. So A for all A belongs to associative C1. Everyone see the associative left hand side and right hand side. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. So what is the given is, so A star, this is the product by 2, BC by 2. Again, product of these two, A into BC by 2, divide with 2, it will become as a ABC by 4. Right hand side, say what? AB by 2 star C. Now we can write AB by 2 into C upon 2. Again, it will become as a ABC by 4. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, star is a associative. Is associative. So, this is the second problem. Third bit also completed. Okay, now? Second problem, fourth bit. Second problem, fourth bit, everyone see. Second problem, fourth bit. So what is the second problem, fourth bit, everyone observe. Set is given by, set is given by, what is the given set is the Z plus, what is the defined by A star B, defined by A star B equal to 2 power of AB. 2 power of AB. A star B is equal to 2 power of AB. 2 power of AB. Check binary operation. So A star B. I will take here is the A is equal to one element positive, Z is equal to positive means we know that 1, 2, 3 up to infinity numbers. So 1 belongs to Z plus and 2 belongs to Z plus, 2 belongs to Z plus. So that is the such that 1 star 2 is equal to 1 star 2 is equal to 2 power of 1 into 2, 2 square is the 4, 4 belongs to Z plus, 4 belongs to Z plus. Any value you can take belongs to Z plus only. Star is a binary operation. Commutative. Everyone check the commutative. A star B is equal to 2 power of AB is equal to this is the 2 power of BA. This can be written as 2 power of AB. LHS is equal to RHS. Star is a commutative. Next, everyone come to the associative. Everyone come to the associative. Left hand side of the associative. Check come everyone. So left hand side of the associative is A star 2 power of BC. Next one is these two are application. So now these two is 2 power of A into 2 power of BC. 2 power of A into 2 power of BC. So this is the first element, this is the second element. Okay, na? First element into second element. Here come to the 2 power of AB star C. This can be written as 2 power of first element, 2 power of AB into C. But both are not equal. Both are different. Both are different. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Everyone observe. So LHS is not equal to RHS. It is not a associative. LHS is not equal to RHS. So star is not a associative. Star is not associative. Okay, na? So so second problem, fourth bit also completed. One time I will check the answer. So star is a company but not a associative. Very good. So second problem, fifth bit is fifth bit. Everyone see second problem. Fifth bit set is the Z plus only, and A star B is equal to A star B is equal to A power of B, first element to the power of second element. First element to the power of second element. First C, 2 belongs to Z plus, 3 belongs to Z plus, 5 belongs to Z plus. So 2 star 5. 2 star 5. First element to the power of second element to that is equal to 32 belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation, commutative. So first element to the power of second element, but here is the second element to the power of first element. Therefore, it is not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, star is not a commutative. Associative. Everyone check associative. First left hand side CM. So A star. So first element to the power of second element. Again apply first element to the power of second element. A power of BC. Here is C. A power of B star C. First element AB to the power of C. So this is the A power of BC, but here is the A power of B power of C, not a associative. One time check the answer, everyone. Not associative is correct. Not associative. So not star is LHS is not equal to RHS. Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Okay, na? Right? It is clear. All right. I go through the sixth bit. So second problem is going to complete. Sixth bit. Everyone see. Sixth bit A. Set is given all the real number except -1. Set is given by all the real numbers except -1. Set is given all real numbers except -1. A star B is equal to A by B plus 1. First element by second element plus 1. So it is a real number. So first you have to check binary operation. Take, so 5 by 3, 2 belongs to R and 5 by 3 belongs to R. 5 by 3 belongs to R. So 2 star 5 by 3. First element by second element plus 1, that is equal to 2 by, so 8 by 3. Simplification is the 3 by 4 belongs to R. Therefore, it is a binary operation. Now, commutative check on everyone. Left hand, right hand. So, left hand, right hand check on commutative. A star B is equal to first element by second element plus 1. Here is the B by A plus 1, not equal. Therefore, star is not commutative. Is not commutative. All right, see everyone. Here is associative check on everyone. A star B by C plus 1. Next, A by B by C plus 1 plus 1. By the simplification, A into C plus 1 by B plus C plus 1. Right hand side CM1. Here is A by B plus 1 star C. Here is A by B plus 1 by C plus 1. This is A by B plus 1 into C plus 1. Both are not equal. Star is not a associative. Star is not a commutative and star is not a associative. Okay, na? Star is not a commutative, star is not a, so neither commutative nor associative. Okay, na? Fifth problem also neither commutative nor associative. Third problem, I go through the third problem. Everyone see the third problem. Third problem. So set is given by write the operation table. Yes, set is given by S letter. Set symbol is I am taking S letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here A star B is defined. Take minimum of AB. Minimum of AB. In these two, it is the smaller you have to take. Next, what we write? Operation table. So required is the operation table. Only operation table is required. Everyone see operation table is required. So this is the third problem. Operation required. Operation table is required. Operation table is required. What is the operation table is? So first one, write down the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the operation is given by minimum of AB? Star is given by A star B is equal to minimum of AB. Minimum of AB. Minimum of AB. AB minimum we should take. AB minimum we should take. Okay, na? Minimum of AB we should take. Minimum of AB we should take. 1 star, 1, 1, 1 is the minimum. 1, 2, 1 is the minimum. 1, 3, 1 is the minimum. 1, 4, 1 is the minimum. 1, 5, 1 is the minimum. Next one. 2, 1, 1 is the minimum. 2, 2, 2 is the minimum. 2, 3, 2 is the minimum. 2, 4, 2 is the minimum. 2, 5, 2 is the minimum. 3, 1, 1 is the minimum. 3, 2, 2 is the minimum. 3, 3, 3 is the minimum. 3, 4, 3 is the minimum. 3, 5, 3 is the minimum. 4, 1, 1 is the minimum. 4, 2, 2 is the minimum. 4, 3, 3 is the minimum. 4, 4, 4 is the minimum. 4, 5, 4 is the minimum. 5, 1, 1 is the minimum. 5, 2, 2 is the minimum. 5, 3, 3 is the minimum. 5, 4, 4 is the minimum. 5, 5, 5 is the minimum. That is the operation table. Okay, na? 1, 1, 1 is the minimum. 1, 2, 1 is the minimum. 1, 3, 1 is the minimum. 1, 4, 1 is the minimum. 1, 5, 1 is the minimum. 2, 1, 2, 1, 1 is the minimum. 2, 2, 2 is the minimum. 2, 3, 2 is the minimum. 2, 4, 2 is the minimum. 2, 5, 2 is the minimum. That's okay, right? Right. Everyone see. Fourth problem. First, write down the operation table. Multiplication table is given. Everyone see the fourth problem. Already table is given. Already table is given. What is the given? Fourth problem is star. Right. Table write down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Table already given. Table already given. Okay. Already table is given. Second, third, fourth. Okay. What is the value? See, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. This is the table is given. Find out the values. First bit is compute 2 star 3 star 4 star 4. See, everyone see among 2 star 3 2 star 3 value is 1. 2 star 3 value is 1. Star 4. 1 star 4 value is 1. It is okay. Now? Right. Once again, right now, here is the 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star 3 star 4. 3 star 4 is the 1. 2 star 1 is the 1. Okay, na? Right. Second bit, commutative na, not a commutative na. Commutative or not. Commutative means commutative na, not a commutative na. So everyone observe commutative na, not a commutative na. Fourth bit, we are going to check it is a commutative or not a commutative. Everyone check. 1 star 2 value is 1 star 2 is the 1. 2 star 1 value is 2 star 1 value also 1. Therefore, commutative A star B is equal to B star A. So, commutative star is commutative. Star is commutative. Right. Associate. Next one is the third bit is compute 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. Everyone say 2 star 3 value is 1 star 4 star 5 value is 1. 1 star 1 value is 1. So that is the fourth problem also completed. So exercise, so 1.4 up to 4 problems is completed. Already I tell, so functions we have 4 problems I will tell that should be completed in this video me. So almost all we are in the perfect manner only. Tomorrow I will start. So exercise 1.4, fifth problem, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9. So up to 9 problems I will should be completed. One more day I will complete total exercise. Okay, na? So everyone see. Already I tell functions, objective. Right. Functions, objective I will tell. So points and 4 problems is there. I should complete that one. That part should be completed. Okay, na? So first everyone see functional equation, objective of functions, objective of functions, objective of functions. Everyone see. But first bit is if f of x, y should be remember f of x plus f of y is given, then f of x is equal to k into log x. You should follow the logarithmic formula. Log of m into n. So it is in the form of log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n. In this format, therefore f of x should be taken as a k into log x. Second one is if f of x into y is equal to f of x into f of y, then f of x should be taken as a x power of n. This should be write down exponential function. Exponential function formula should be follow. Okay, na? Multiplication. Multiplication will give the multiplication in the exponential function. That's why we should take x power of n. Next one, if f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, then f of x is equal to a power of kx. This is in the form of a plus m n is equal to a power of m into a power of n formation. That's why a power of kx we can take. Fourth point is, if f of x plus y, if f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, f of x plus f of y, then f of x should be taken as a k into x. So this should be read and remember, no other chance. This should be read and remember. Last fifth one, if f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x, then f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power of n. These formulas must be read and remember. Depending upon that one, they should be asked. These are called a functional equation. So name is the functional equation. Functional equations. Functional equation. You should be remember this name, and you should be read and remember, but for the problems only. Major, they will ask these questions regarding this one. You should be read and remember. So that no other alternative, no proofs for this one. So that's why you should be read and you should be remember. Okay, now? All right. See the. So sometimes we forget, sir, what we can do this problem is 90% you should be remember. So any chance is there, I will tell one more direct procedure also. Okay, na? Right, see the. So everyone see objective question, remembering this one. Question number 1. If f of x is a polynomial, if of x is a polynomial satisfying f of x into f of y is f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. This is a reciprocal formula. And f of 4 is equal to 65. Then f of 6 value is. So reciprocal already fifth point. Everyone observe fifth point is should be take f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power of n. 1 plus x power of n. Plus is needed or minus is needed or now we decide. F of 4 is equal to 64 now. So 4. So f of 4 is given by 64. 64 plus 1 will become as a 65. That's why we take plus 1. Okay, na? So here, what is the given is, I will write 1. F of 4 is equal to 65 is given. 1 plus x placed in the 4 power of n is equal to 65. 4 power of n is equal to 64. 4 power of 4 cube is the 64. N is equal to 3 is the answer. But required is the f of 6 is required. Now write down f of x function is the 1 plus x cube. Now write down f of 6 is equal to 1 plus x plus is the 6 cube. Now 6 cube is the 216 plus 1. So that is equal to 217 is the answer. That's all. You must be remember that formulas no other alternative. You should be remember. Okay, na? Right. Second problem. If f of x is a polynomial satisfying, so f of x plus y, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. F of x plus f of y. Fourth point, one time see. F of 1 is equal to 5. F of 1 is equal to 5. Then find sigma n is equal to 1 to 100. F of n value e. So fourth relation, fourth point is in the fourth point, f of x is equal to kx. Here is given by f of 1 is equal to 5, x plus 1 substitute, k into 1 is equal to 5, k value is 5. F of x is equal to 5x. F of x is equal to 5x. Is it clear? Now, what is the required answer? We should be right. So, we should be right. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 100. F of n, f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 up to 100. F of 100. F of 1 mean 5 into 1. F of 2 mean 5 into 2. F of 3 mean 5 into 3. F of 100 is 5 into 100. Take 5 is common. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 100. Now by the AP series, sum of the n terms, n now direct write down. So n into n plus 1, n plus 1 by 2. Simplify, we get the required answer. So what is the answer we are getting? So 250 times and multiply and write down the answer is 25250. Right. Question number 3. Question number 3. If f of x and g of x are the functions of the argument, right? Everyone see question number 3. If f of x, question number 3, see everyone. If f of x and g of x and g of x be the function, be functions which take arguments, which take arguments let f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus g of y plus a for all xy belongs to integers. Let f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to integer. Next, g of 8 is equal and g of 8 is equal to 17. It is equal to 17. G of 8 is equal to 17. Find f of 0 value. Here is, we are go through the one direct procedure. What I am going to find the 0 value is required mean x, y opposite values take. X is equal to minus 8, y is equal to plus 8. Sir, why not 8 is equal to y is equal to minus 8 mean g of y value is given, g8 plus 8 value is given. That's why don't take y is positive and x is the only negative should be taken. Okay, right? Everyone see f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus g of y plus a. Now see, x place is the minus 8, y place is the plus 8. F of x place is the minus 8 and y place is the plus 8 plus 8. Next, f of x is defined. F of x is the same x. So here is f of 0 is equal to minus 8, 17 plus 8. Both are cancelled. Answer is 17. Last fourth problem. Everyone see last fourth problem. Question number 4. Question number 4. For x belongs to R, set f of x be the function, satisfies 2 into f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to x square. Then f of 4 value is. So this is the required. Everyone observe. This is the last problem in objective of the function. So I will do this problem is in simple manner. F of 4 value is required. I want to find f of x function. How can you find me? 2f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to x square. Let it be equation number 1. X place 1 minus x substitute 2 into f of 1 minus x plus 1 minus x cancel, f of x is equal to 1 minus x square. This is the second equation. Now carefully observe. First equation, but here is, so here is, everyone observe, f of 1, x place is the 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x whole square. So 2 times of f of 1 minus x plus f of x is equal to 1 minus x whole square. Let it be equation number 2. Equation 1, I want f of x, 1 minus x replace. How can you replace me? First equation multiply with 2 and subtract with the second equation. Automatically f of 1 minus x is cancelled. F of x we can get. Okay. First equation multiply with 2. 4 into f of x plus 2 times of f of 1 minus x is equal to 2 times of x square. Second equation, right on, what is that? F of x plus 2 times of f of 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x whole square. Subtract minus minus minus, these two are cancelled. 3 f of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 minus x whole square. F of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 minus x whole square by now substitute. F place is the 4. F of x place is the 4. F of 4 is required. F place is the 4 substitute. F place is the 4 substitute. So that is equal to 2 into 4 square minus 1 minus 4 square by denominator is the 3. F of 4 is equal to 32 minus 9 by 3. 32 minus 9 by 3. Is it correct? 32 minus 9 by 3. 32 means 23 by 3 is the required answer. 23 by 3 is the required answer. Okay, na? So that is the required problems. This must be completed, everyone.